In today's episode of Chase Cam Central, we're diving into two intense high-speed pursuits. First, a Kawasaki rider pushes past 140 miles per hour on I-85 before a dramatic felony stop. Then, a deported felon wanted for homicide leads Hazen PD and state troopers on a reckless chase down I-40, ending in a precision pit maneuver. First, on a calm Georgia evening, a Kawasaki rider rockets past 140 miles per hour on I-85, weaving through traffic, nearly colliding with another biker, before the pursuit ends with weapons drawn on the shoulder of the highway.
Go to your knees, right here. Stand up. Yeah, we'll get take care of it in a second. All right, pull your feet towards you and stand up. What's up with talking to you?
Yeah, you still go to that radio station? Radio station 39. Radio station 39.
You all right now?
What's the road time?
I was kind of down, don't you think?
I feel first got them guys running, and I think I catch up. I'm from the valley. Them guys, they ride out of.
How old are you?
34. Man, I gotta see.
I mean, why?
I don't know, man. And then I see the light. I really did panic, man.
I mean, shit.
And I don't even.
For a speed ticket. I mean, damn. Yeah, I'm gonna fix your handcuffs. Just right here. I'm gonna fix your handcuffs. Okay, don't do nothing
Yeah,
stupid.
he stopped me. He gave me a break last time. I didn't. That on the motorcycle. You remember you took me out on that white truck? On that 150. On Highway 18.
You want to know that we're good?
Hey, my bike, man.
Whose bike is it?
That's not my uncle.
Is this good now?
You got it tight. I didn't get it.
Huh? Yeah, we good. Alright, is that better?
You tighten it back up.
Yeah, it's got to be a little tight.
Can you come in the front?
Hold on.
I'm not.
We can't do that.
I'm not dangerous. I'm not armed dangerous. I understand. It's a policy. Okay. The best I can do is move on the pedal. Yeah, I'm not best. I'm not going nowhere.
This one good?
It's going to hurt.
Alright.
I was just saying. I know if I.
That's as good as it's going to get right now because you do got the big ribs. I'll put you in the back. Yeah, I'm going to get all that stuff.
The motorcycle suspect was arrested without further resistance and now faces serious charges for reckless driving and fleeing. Then a red Nissan Rogue barrels down I-40 in Arkansas. Its driver, a deported felon wanted for homicide, showing no signs of stopping. With state troopers and Hazen PD in hot pursuit, the chase races toward a violent conclusion, with a textbook pit maneuver ending it all at mile marker 152.
Staying on 40.
10-4, we're going to be on 40 right now. Traffic's still thick. They're going to be able to pit them right now. We're still westbound. Speeds are 110. Passing on shoulder. Can we pit at 110 or what? Am I able to pit at this speed? I got a spot right here.
Yeah.
Said 10-4? Cut me off, I wasn't able to get it just then. It's going to be Tennessee tags 450430. Tennessee 450430. Might take the exit, stand by. No, we're gonna stay 40 west.
Stand 40 west.
Yeah, I got a spot right here. Come on now, let me get it. Too much traffic. Can't fit them right there, we have traffic. We're gonna be staying 40 west, about to come up to the north interchange.
'67 55, I'll follow behind your call.
He's passing, he's going up here on the right, stand by.
Still 40 westbound, past the big church. Going to 667, you're faster. That's okay right now, 40 west still. Got to be about medium, we're about 110 right now. We got a pit, roll over. Pit, roll over, stand by. Stop here, guys.
Hands! Hands, driver! Hands! Driver, get out of the car! Get out of the car! Hands! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Hands! Walk backwards! Face away from me! Face away from me!
Hey, walk backwards to me!
Get back!
Hey, I'll put cuffs on his cover.
I gotta stay here, stay here, stay here. Walk, face away! Walk, get up and walk! Get up! Get up and walk! Walk backwards! Walk backwards! Face away from me! Keep your hands on top of your head and walk backwards. Walk backwards! Walk backwards! Walk backwards! Keep coming! Come. Clear the car. Hey. Oh. Clear.
Want us to move us all over here?
Yeah.
That's what you want to do?
¿Qué le dijo, Juan?
Number 4, 3-lane block.
Ya no la hice, güey. 158. 150. A la 152, 10. 152. Dime. Dime
Minimal traffic at 901.
Got him. Good job, dude. Appreciate it, man. I didn't mean to jump in front of you, man.
No, you're good, dude. This sucker outran me, bro. That thing outran me, dude.
Yeah. I mean, that thing's quick. I'm surprised.
It was, yeah, it was about fast as I thought it was.
Yeah. How fast you bid it? I don't know how. We probably don't understand. Is it crazy? think so. He's back there screaming and shit. I don't know.
In Arkansas, the driver of the Red Rogue, already deported and wanted for murder, was taken down, charged with multiple felonies, and now faces federal immigration and homicide investigations. Thank you for watching the Chase Cam Central. We appreciate your support, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on all the action. And remember, always follow traffic rules and respect the brave men and women of law enforcement who work tirelessly to keep us safe. See you next time.